So today we're going to be making a poinsettia, one of my favorite classic cocktails for this time of year. We'll be featuring the Nautical Horizon BayTowne signature vodka. We're also going to be featuring a delicious Spanish cava. We're also going to be using Beauchamp, cranberry as well, and a rosemary simple syrup. I'm going to use 1 ounce of cranberry, just a 1/4 ounce of our simple syrup, 3/4 of an ounce of vodka, another 3/4 ounce of our Beauchamp. Now for really good integration, I like to pour a little bit of our bubbly first. Mix everything up. Here to fine strain, just in case some of that rosemary got in there from the syrup. Yeah. Bring that copper right back, pop it off. There you are. Perfect little holiday classic.